it's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me. Hello! If you're new, I'm Serenity Greenhard, and you're watching the Potato Fetus channel. Here, potato right here. One day I'll have the editing software to call up a magic potato. Anyway, today is going to be a party makeup tutorial if you want to experiment with color. It's going to be with the Juvia's Place Saharan palette. It's amazing, but I wanted to really do a makeup look, a really colorful makeup look with this palette. So if you guys want to have a party, makeup look, experiment with color just a little bit, go out your comfort zone a little bit, and keep on watching. Alright guys, headband is on our heads, and put a robe so any foundation that I do have in my hands won't get on my clothes. And let's address the pink elephant in the room, if you would. I'm so sorry I did not post last week. I'm so sorry. I was feeling extremely overwhelmed, and there was technical difficulties, and I advise you, if you're feeling overwhelmed as well, just take a minute, just take a step back, get off social media, and just take a minute to yourself, and just actually evaluate, and just ask yourself, are you okay? And just check in with yourself. But since you guys have been so patient and so wonderful, you're getting 2 videos this week. Oh yeah, we scored today. But yeah, thank you for the guys' patience, and yeah. But I already moisturized. I used the e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer. This is it. And I also primed with the Nivea Men Post Shave Balm, and applied that around my T-zone, let it sit for 5 minutes, and now we're going to dive into the foundation. So, Beauty Blender in hand, ready to go, and I'm using my Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and I'm Chestnut 13, so if you guys want to see that. I'll try to find all the products and link it down below if you want to use them. So we're going to dive in. I only apply a little bit. And then we go in. Okay. And once you're done with your foundation, I go in set with my CoverGirl Queen collection, Q410 Golden. And I apply that under the eyes. And this makeup look, I totally forgot. I'm a professional. I totally forgot to mention that this look is inspired. I'm replicating this look that I found on Miss Aniquina. I butcher names so much, but I found this look on her page. Wanted to experiment it for myself, and I just absolutely adored it. So I will show you the name on the bottom. Okay, but yeah, that's inspired by, oh no, my powder cracked. It was inspired by her. Love it. If she's watching, I love you. You're awesome. I love your makeup looks. It's totally inspired by you. You're insane. But I'm, she's a professional. I'm an amateur. If you can blend better, do your eyebrows better, definitely improve this look. Definitely send me pictures of this look when you're done. But yeah, we go in and apply that under the eyes with a beauty blender. And I also apply that on my nose as well. Then I go in with Anatasia Beverly Hills Powder Bronzer in Mahogany and apply that in a 3 motion. Okay, and then after I brush my eyebrows, oops, brush the brows, and then I go in with a little bit more pigmented brown, which I go in with in Modern Renaissance Anastasia palette, and I go in with the brown color, and I fill in my brows. But of course, if you're better at pomade, then do so. But I like going in with an eyeshadow and just having that natural look. Start from the bottom in the center of your brow, do the tail, and then work your way into the front, so the front won't be as harsh. And then whatever you applied on the bottom, just spread that upward. Then you apply some at the top, and then do that, and connect the tail, and there you go. And then just add a little flicks of eyeshadow in front. Just have that ombre effect. Here you just brush your brows so it won't be as harsh. If you don't like the harshness of it, just brush your brows, all nice, and boom. Now we don't look like an angry bird. Anyway, now, the part that you all been waiting for. We go in with the palette. So I grab my brush, big fluffy brush, well not big, but like, you know, nice blending brush. And I go in with Sakota. This palette is pigmented, but I like the red to pop a little bit more, so I apply a little bit more than a little bit, a medium amount, and I go in, start from here, and then, you know, just blend in a windshield wiper motion, and a little bit of a circular motion at the ends to flare it out a little bit more. Then you go in with shad, and I do mean just apply a little bit initially and then build later. You go in with shad, boop, just a little bit, tap off the excess, and then go in the outer V and just stamp it on. It'll first look ugly, I promise, but it'll blend after you stamp it on. So you're starting in the outer V, and then working your way up a little bit in your crease. And then you just blend it out lightly, because you still want that pigment there, and just upward, and then so it won't be as harsh. And then to bring that pigment a little bit back, and you just add it and stamp it on. Just stamp it on in that same place, in that middle socket right there, and just blend out the edges. Alright, and then you apply shad again, and you apply it on your inner corner, kind of. Not exactly your inner corner, but like right here. So it can have that spotlight effect, if you can see. And then, same instance, if you don't like the intensity, you can blend it out a little bit, or if you need a little bit more intensity, you want the black to pop a lot more, then go in with shad again, a little bit, just stamp it on, and then tap off the excess, I mean, I'm so sorry, I cannot talk today, and then do the same thing. That. Then, you go in with Kia, with your finger, and also Wadabi. Mix those two with your finger, and then apply it where you created that spotlight effect. Okay, I want to show you guys. And apply upwards, kind of blend with that. If you want to be more precise with concealer, then you can do so, but you don't really need a concealer with this look, but I like it just as it is. But see? Boom. And then if you want it to be more greeny, kind of, have that greeny effect, just apply a little bit more of Kia, and apply it in the center as well. just to have that nice green look. This would be perfect for Christmas. I'm so excited for Christmas. I know it's too early, but this would be perfect for Christmas. And then you kind of just blended the black into the glitter a little bit, just so it won't be messy. And just do that as well. And then, boop, you got yourself a nice little eye going on, little eye action. And I'm going to do the other eye off camera, so be right back. As in the bag, I added a little bit more of Sokoto just to bring back that red, but now onto the bottom lash line. So you basically repeat the steps with Chad, but just on your outer right here. I have to do it. I have to look in the mirror, but right here, and go up towards your outer V. Smoke it out a little bit, and then apply a little bit of Chad also on the inner part of your eye. And then go in with Wadabi and Kia and apply that in the middle where it has that space in between Chads, the two Chad lines. And just smoke it out. And then do the same thing on the other eye. Okay, now that us potatoes look like goddesses, just the tip on the cake, you apply a little bit of Iman, this like shimmery, this shimmery shade right here, and apply that on your inner corner, and just connect it, make it look nice, and then add that extra pop a little bit. Woo. Oh yeah, ooh, shining bright like a diamond. And then do the same thing on the other eye as well. For mascara, I'm using the It's Superhero Super Black, and I don't apply lashes. I don't know how to. I'm very unskilled with lashes, so I just make sure my natural lashes are popping, you know. So go in, give it a little shake, give it a little shimmy, and yeah, give it a little shake. So, alright guys, I applied my lashes, gave them a little TLC. After that, you know what time it is. It's highlight time. So I go in with the color Antique in the palette Perfusion. I completely forgot to mention it. It's Perfusion Eye and Cheek. And this, oh my god, my favorite part. Oh yeah. And then I also go under the brow a little bit. Oh, beautiful. Gorgeous, seamless, amazing. The camera doesn't do it justice, but I promise. It's just amazing, as it is an eyeshadow, as is a, no, it's amazing as an eyeshadow, if not, wait, okay, you know, it's a good eyeshadow and a good highlighter, there you go. I cannot speak today for the life of me. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And then I give myself a little Tinkerbell nose, and just have a shiny little nose. Right there. I do not have a lip color for this look. I couldn't find a perfect nude to go with it, so my lips are bare. I just applied a nice little, I'm going to apply a little nice little gloss for it, or some chapstick, basic, because you want the focus to be on the eyes, because you're already a smoking goddess, a glistening french eye. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this little tutorial, and if you do recreate this look, please give all the credit to Miss Nicolina. I'm sorry if I'm butchering her name. She's amazing. She's a queen. Check her out. And send me pictures of what lip color you did for it, because I couldn't find one that really looked good. So if you guys do that and experiment with it, show me. I'm pretty sure you have better skills than I do. But yeah, if you liked it, give it a great big thumbs up. And if you like my face and want to see more of me, then click subscribe, because I make videos every Tuesday now. And I'm posting I will be posting another video later on this week to make up for last week. Anyways, thank you guys. I love you so much. I hope you have a great day. Bye! The listening French try. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this little tutorial. And if you do recreate this look, please give all the credit to Miss Anitasia. I'm sorry for butchering your name. She's amazing. She's a queen. Check her out. And send me pictures of what lip color you did for it, because I couldn't find one that really looked good. So if you guys do that and experiment with it, show me. I'm pretty sure you have better skills than I do. But yeah, if you liked it, give it a great big thumbs up. And if you like my face and want to see more of me, then click subscribe, because I make videos every Tuesday now. And I'm posting I will be posting another video later on this week to make up for last week. Anyways, thank you guys. I love you so much. I hope you have a great day. Bye!